Today I have a new item I just found I want to show you. It's a essential oil diffuser. I do have quite a few, but this one is very different than the other ones that I have. Let's take a closer look at the box. Here it is by this company, Syntus, and this one is made from real bamboo, so it's not fake wood or plastic on the outside like the majority of them. But what makes this really exciting is it comes with a remote control. Let's go ahead and open it up right now. Here it is out of the box, and you get the power cord, little water filler cup. This is the remote control. That's the on. That's the light. You have a 1 hour, 2 hour, I think that's continuous. A continuous mist, and then I think that's an intermittent where it turns on and turns off during the cycle. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll find out when I take a closer look at it. You get the instruction manual, and then here's the diffuser itself, which is really, really pretty. Bamboo. Love bamboo. I like that light color of the bamboo. So that's good. You have the two buttons. One would be for the misting and one's for the light. Here is the underneath part. And let's take a look at the inside. That's the top. There's the inside. It has a capacity of 160 millimeters. So it's a little bigger than, say, the 100. It's not a giant size. That's where you fill it up to where it says the max there. But it's pretty good size. I really like it. It's a very, very attractive diffuser. Much more attractive than the plain plastic ones, that's for sure. And I love this. This is great. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and let's get some water and some oil, and let's see how well this works. I'm going to first put some water in it, just a little bit. Next, the essential oil I have here, just a little bit of that, just see how well this works. And then put the top on, turn it on. Okay, so I just hit this button and it just went on, and you can see that it is misting very fast. As soon as I turn it on, it started shooting out some mist, and it's coming out pretty nicely there. Let's see, that's the light. Let's try the light. It's hard to see because I have bright lights. Let's see if that's a light. There, see, I got some red light. You can see that a little bit. I'm going to turn the lights down so we can get a good look at this. Here we go. Got a pink. And now it's kind of like a purple color. Going to red. It's changing to the 7, I believe it's seven different LED lights. It's changing pretty quickly. You can see it has a real nice misting there. And I'm going to hit the remote again. Let's see. So I hit the remote, turned it off, and it turned on. That's just on off if I want to do continuous, 1 hour, 2 hour, intermittent. And then I can do the lights. Let's try the lights. Oh, okay. So lights off, lights on. Off, on. And then here, now it's off, now it's on. This is great. I'm really loving this diffuser. And I love bamboo. It's so pretty. I'm extremely pleased with this bamboo diffuser. And I will put the link for it below. It's by the company Syntus, and it is real bamboo, not the fake wood. Plus you get the remote. Love it, love it, love it. Well, that's it for my unboxing and review of the Syntus Real Bamboo Essential Oil Diffuser with remote control. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.